In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Plus, which is the new version of Roblox Premium. Roblox Plus offers various benefits, including trading and other features. So to begin, follow the steps carefully. Go to roblox.com and on the Roblox homepage, look for the left-hand side and click on the More option from the bottom, which is indicating more fun for less Robux. Subscribe to Roblox Plus. Once you tap on it, a new page will load. You'll see an option to try for free. Well, you can start with a free trial. Please note that you'll eventually need to pay for the service. This page also highlights the benefits of Roblox Plus, such as publishing games, sending Robux, and trading or reselling items. Click on Try it for free. Next, choose your desired subscription plan. Some plans include Robux. Select your Robux plan and then select Try for free again. Now, select your payment method. For example, you can choose to pay with a card, confirm your selection, follow the on-screen instructions, and finally click on Start Trial and wait for the process to complete. So that's it. Your Roblox Plus trial will now begin. Remember that you'll be charged monthly for this subscription after the trial period ends. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.